Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A54 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and then we have to scroll down to find security and privacy. Now let's scroll down to find the other security settings. Actually, the credential storage is hidden here. So let's tap on other security settings and as you can see, we've got the credential storage finally. So all we have to do is to simply tap on clear credentials, which is almost at the very bottom of this section, and of course confirm it with OK. Your device will require the pattern, PIN or password, whatever screen lock you've got set, so just enter it. And as you can see, we've got the information that the credential storage has been erased successfully. What's more, here we've got also the evidence. We cannot tap on the clear credentials option again, of course, because we just removed the certificates. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to clear credentials in your Samsung Galaxy A54. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.